Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share my review of the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker, a compact yet powerful appliance that promises to elevate your ice making game. Before starting, you may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and efficient ice maker for your kitchen, bar, or outdoor gatherings, this model could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into the features and see if it lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker stands out with its sleek and modern design, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen countertop or bar area. Its compact size ensures it fits seamlessly into smaller spaces without sacrificing functionality. The stainless steel finish not only looks great but is also easy to clean and maintain, ensuring it stays looking new even with regular use. Performance and efficiency. When it comes to performance, the Ecozy Ice Maker excels. It produces 9 bullet ice cubes every 6 minutes, allowing you to have a steady supply of ice quickly. With a daily production capacity of 26 pounds, it's more than capable of keeping up with the demands of small to medium-sized gatherings or daily use. Whether you're hosting a party, preparing for a family barbecue, or simply need ice for your drinks, this machine delivers consistent and reliable results. Self-cleaning feature. One of the standout features of the Ecozy Ice Maker is its self-cleaning function. This is a real game changer for convenience and maintenance. With just a push of a button, the ice maker initiates a cleaning cycle that helps keep the interior hygienic and free from buildup. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that your ice is always fresh and clean. Additional features and accessories. The Ecozy Ice Maker comes equipped with several useful accessories that enhance its functionality. Ice bags, ideal for storing and transporting ice. These bags help you manage your ice supply efficiently. Handle. The built-in handle makes it easy to move the ice maker around or transport it if needed. Standing scoop. This scoop is perfect for dispensing ice and fits neatly into the machine for easy access. Basket. The included basket holds the ice cubes, making it convenient to serve or store them. Ease of use. Using the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker is a breeze. The intuitive control panel allows you to start and stop the ice making process with ease. The clear indicators keep you informed about the status of ice production and water levels. Even if you're new to ice makers, you'll find this model straightforward and user-friendly. Noise level. Another positive aspect of this ice maker is its relatively quiet operation. While no appliance is completely silent, the Ecozy Ice Maker operates at a level that won't disturb conversations or your peace and quiet, making it suitable for use in various settings. Value for money. In terms of value, the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker offers excellent features and performance at a competitive price point. Its efficiency, ease of use, and convenient features, such as the self-cleaning function, make it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of a dependable ice-making solution. Conclusion. Overall, the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker is a fantastic choice for those who want a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use ice maker. With its impressive ice production capacity, self-cleaning feature, and practical accessories, it stands out as a top contender in its category. Whether you're entertaining guests or just need a steady supply of ice, this ice maker has you covered. Thanks for joining me in this review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest home appliances. See you next time.